So as we're down here in the garage debating on what radio we should put for the CRX, I had eBay $100 special radio that I just broke today. Ripped the RCAs out, and so it's either I have to buy another radio, but we're in the garage, and I was playing with my iPad here. And Ray did something kind of silly. Let me turn the camera around. And this is the console for the CRX. And this is my iPad Pro 12.9. And what did you say we should do with this, Ray?
Yeah, it's getting mounted.
Mounted where?
Right there. Probably like this, though.
So... turn it sideways, put it back up there, and turn it sideways, show him. So it's not going to be, no, the way you had it. Yeah. So, that's, first off, just imagine, it's not perfect. It's going to be a little bit lower than what it is right now. But boy, could y'all imagine if we actually lowered this and mount this with the, who makes that kit?
Soundman.
The Soundman kit, the float mount kit, and molded into the back. So, if we did it, bring it closer. So they can see it. So it will be more so mount like right here, and then we'll kind of build off of. That is crazy. So it's gonna be up a little higher. So this gap is gonna be here. That's good. That's good. And then down here we're gonna keep the little cubby hole. Oh, it's gonna be fire. Oh, it's gonna be fire. And then 1989 CRX. What do y'all think? Are we doing it?
Yeah, that's getting done.
We're doing it.
Come on. Come on.
Only Mr.ChoKolate doing this. Oh well, let's rock it.